now I have a truck that's got better axles under it that still doesn't have a transmission in it. Here we're going to do a little bit of working on the Bronco. I got my Vader skid, as you saw in the Monday unboxing, and then now I'm going to try and put all this together. I'm probably going to switch out these axles with the diamonds that I have in my Jeep, because I don't think the Jeep needs that much crazy, and this probably will. So we'll swap those out, get some links on here. I've got tons of links laying out. I'm going to see what fits where and what goes, all that stuff. So here we go. So I've already got, well, I already have a problem is what I have. I can't get the transmission out when it's connected to the skid. So we'll take that out here. There we go. Oh yeah, skid is out. I'll try and get this transmission out. This was not built for this. So, well, it may have been built for it, but it was definitely a tight fit. I think there's other transmission options that would be a better option. I have a problem just spending $130 some odd dollars or whatever on a hamburger. I just can't do it. So anyway, right now I have these links here. These are VP links, I'm pretty sure. Well, I know they're VP links, but I think they're off of Phoenix. I have some high clearance links on a couple of my Phoenixes, so I've gone ahead, and now this one's too far out. Spin that in a little bit. Your mom complains that I stick too far out sometimes too, but she still likes it. So anyway. I guess we might as well take the axles off. Take the wheels off, takes the axles off the other truck, put them on. So I guess this is axle swapping is what we're doing. So that's what we're gonna do. I have too much crap on my bench. So I got that in, and as of right now, I think it might be trimmable, but I'm pretty sure the top of the transmission You can see the top of the transmission, or that little bump for the cover, is rubbing here. The motor is hitting because it's now kicked over to the side. This just, I could make it work. I don't know. I may have to just break down and buy a freaking transmission that's really expensive. At this point, like, this link rubs the motor and it's tilting it back and forth. The transmission top is hitting the interior. I need a new link. I don't like these links anyway. They're really bulky. The rod ends are huge, but they're not any stronger than a Traxxas link or anything like that. So there's no point in just having huge ass links. So I did get it someone in there. I got some cool lower links on from a Wraith that actually look pretty neat, and they should help a little bit. These are from a Phoenix. My rear pinion angle is jacked up, but I did shorten it up a little bit to 12 1/4 doing that. It was at like 12. It was beyond 12 1/2. I know that much. It was kind of long, which it makes it kind of hard to do anything with, just because you're just kind of getting high centered everywhere and it doesn't fit. Kind of like me when your mom complains and I'm just like, well, deal with it. But anyway, so that is what we've done. This video is just another fail video, but it is important to show some of you guys that sometimes shit just doesn't work, you know? I just wanted to let you guys see me working on stuff and not just unboxing things. Even though it didn't really go anywhere, kinda. Did technically I did an axle swap with another truck, so now the Bronco's cooler and the Jeep is less cool. Whatever. That is all. Check me out. Like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. If you're not subscribed, do it. Ring the ding dong bell. Patreon, TikTok, Facebook group, Facebook page, Instagram. I think that's everything. I don't know. I gotta go take a test for work. Wish me luck. I will see you later. Bye.